I love you. I love you more. Show everybody our messy house. Full of toys. What's the baby doing?
Swinging. Don't push it. I want to go too.
Clap your hands, love. Clap your hands and see baby claps her hands now. Show her.
Let's see if she laughs.
Okay, slow down, gentle, slow down.
Well, can I color?
This is mommy's toy and daddy's toy. It's not for kids though.